welcome back to Let's Learn Mizo. I am Priscilla.
I'm Deeply.
I'm Mizoram.
This program is organized by Mizoram Ṭhalai Kristian Pawl. We will learn Mizo languages in two other languages, that is in English and Hindi, which is the official language of India. In this episode, we shall learn about functional questions and answers. Let's start with the question. What is your name?
And in Hindi, it's आपका नाम क्या है?
And in Mizo, tunge hming, tu nge hming, tunge hming.
So here, ṭawng, which means ṭawng is the question, and hming is the name.
Yeah. Let's try saying the question.
ṭawng hming. Yes. And we can answer that by a simple sentence. And for here, I'll just use my name. My name is Priscilla.
मेरा नाम Priscilla है.
Hmangtu Priscilla ani. Hmangtu Priscilla ani. Let's try.
Okay. Hmangtu Priscilla ani. Next, we have a question. How are you?
And in Hindi, आप कैसे हैं?
And in Mizo, I dam em, and for the formal, I chamo. I dam em or I chamo.
I dam em I chamo. Yes. And we answered that question like, I am fine.
मैं ठीक हूँ in Hindi.
Kadame kachae, kadam e or kachae.
And for the next question we have, what is this? What is this?
ये क्या है in Hindi?
Hey he enge in Mizo. Hey he enge. Hey he enge.
Let's try it once.
Hey he enge.
Yes. And this is a phone.
ये फोन है.
Hey he phone ani. Hey he phone ani.
And next question, who is he or who is she?
And in Hindi, it is वो कौन है?
And in Mizo, ani he tu nge ni. Ani he tu nge ni. It refers to both gender.
Ani refers to
Yeah.
both gender, yes. Okay, let's try saying the question.
Ani
hi tunge ni. Yes. And we answered like, he or she is my friend.
वो मेरा दोस्त है.
Ani he kachian ani. Ani he kachian ani.
Yeah.
Ani
Ani. Yes. Now let's review what we have learned today in this episode. First, what is your name?
आपका नाम क्या है?
Tunge hming.
My name is Priscilla.
मेरा नाम Priscilla है.
Hmangtu Priscilla ani.
How are you?
आप कैसे हैं?
Idamem or ichamo.
I am fine.
मैं ठीक हूँ.
Kadame kachae.
What is this?
ये क्या है?
Hey ye enge.
This is a phone.
ये फोन है.
Hey he phone ani.
Who is he or who is she?
वो कौन है?
Ani he tunge.
He or she is my friend.
ये मेरा दोस्त है.
Ani he kachian ani.
Okay, and that is all for this episode of Let's Learn Mizo. Thank you.
Bye bye.